To use PayPal on Klover, you need to understand the basics of both platforms. Klover is a cash advance app that provides users with instant access to their earnings, while PayPal is a popular online payment system. First, you need to download and install the Klover app on your device. Then create an account and link your bank account to the app. Once you have set up your Klover account, you can navigate to the payment options section to see if PayPal is available as a payment method. As of now, Klover does not directly support PayPal as a payment method for cash advances. However, you can link your PayPal account to your bank account and then link that bank account to Klover. This way, you can indirectly use your PayPal account to receive cash advances from Klover. To link your PayPal account to your bank account, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click on Link a Bank Account and follow the prompts to add your bank account information. Once your PayPal account is linked to your bank account, you can link that bank account to Klover. When using Klover with a linked PayPal account, keep in mind that there may be some delays or fees associated with transferring funds. It is essential to review Klover's terms and conditions, as well as PayPal's fees and limits, to ensure you understand the process and any potential costs. In conclusion, while Klover does not directly support PayPal as a payment method, you can still use PayPal indirectly by linking it to your bank account and then linking that bank account to Klover. By following these steps and understanding the potential fees and delays, you can make the most of both platforms and access the funds you need.